This is a molecule of an element because there's only one color, and that makes it not a compound. This is not a molecule because it's only one element. This is a molecule but not a compound because a compound needs two different color elements in order for it to be a compound, but this one has two of the same color elements. This is a monatomic element, pure substance, because all of the elements are the same, and it's a monatomic element because the elements are all the same color. This is a diatomic element because there are two elements that are the same color. This one is a diatomic compound because there are two different color elements in the compound. And this one is a diatomic element because they are both the same color element. This is a mixture because not all of them are the same. This is a triatomic compound because there are only two elements that are the same, and then over here it's the same thing. There are only two elements that are the same color. This is a mixture of 4 different compounds because a compound has to have different molecules or elements in it. So each one of these is a compound, and then there's 4 different compounds in this mixture. This one is H2O because there's 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. And then this one is H2 because there's 2 hydrogens. This one is CO2 because there is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. And then over here we got O2, which has 2 oxygen. This is AU, and this is HC1 because there's 1 hydrogen and 1 carbon, and there's 1 of each. This is CH4 because there's 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. And then over here is CO2 because there is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. These are each diatomic compounds because there are 2 different elements in each, which makes it a compound. And this is a pure substance compound because each compound is the same. This one is H2O because there are 2 H's and 1 O, which makes it H2O. And this one is H2 because there are 2 H's, which makes it H2. And these are both a mix. This is a mixture of a triatomic compound containing H and H2. This is a mixture of all of the elements because each one of these is an element, and a mixture is something that has each element is different or compound, and all of these elements and compounds are different. This is water mixed with oxygen because there is 2 H and 1 O, which makes this H2O. This is a mixture of a compound with an element with only 2 different atoms because each of these are different atoms, which makes it a mixture with 2 different atoms.